Bitcoin money sort of is a mid-position digital money as of now evaluated at $236.52 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $4,640,199,213, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Over the precise past lovely few years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out a truly impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, in a sort of huge way. A few institutional financial backers even really consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against a taking-off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which especially is genuinely critical. Retail financial backers and brokers in a real sense are genuinely keen on digital currencies, sort of, for example, BCH in light of the fact that this certainly is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources all things considered have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately by and large brief timeframe in an extremely huge manner. These profits truly are genuinely impossible in genuinely different business sectors, which in every practical sense is the justification for why most genuinely moderate financial backers truly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money. While the groundbreaking ones by and large dedicate a critical part of their cash flow to this quickly creating resource class. At this essentially specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $236.52, where it as of now truly sits in a significant manner. As currently referenced, BCH especially is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it by possesses the 23rd spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the very metric that not entirely set in stone, by duplicating the sort of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which sort of is genuinely huge. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization in a real sense remains at $4,640,199,213. The significance of this boundary will basically be made sense of later, which sort of is very critical. Our cost expectation calculation for the most part is planned in certainly such a manner that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to basically give our supporters the most reliable data on the fundamentally present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily in a real sense evaluate the condition of their portfolio and in every practical sense choose whether or not it by and large necessities to in every way that really matters be reconfigured. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which especially is somewhat key for the most part right assessment of both pretty current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its truly present and future course in a huge manner. Beneath you will for the most part find sort of key portions of this authentic information, so you also could have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market truly is going, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on January 19, BCH in every practical sense was esteemed at $237.46 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Certainly recall that digital currencies generally are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The cost change, rate-wise, over the expressed period in every way that really matters, added up to 0.02%, showing how a few institutional financial backers in any event, in every practical sense, consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against a taking-off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in a significant way. 7 days prior, on January 13, Bitcoin money essentially was exchanged at $259.43 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its most certainly present position, which by and large is genuinely critical. On December 20, which was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $229.56, the cost level that truly is at the distance of 3.03% from where it presently really stands. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX sort of are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, which explicitly is very huge. Market capitalization truly is another significant truly metric that truly assists traders with essentially deciding the prominence of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in an especially huge manner. It's likewise used to sort of evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money basically holds inside the in every practical sense whole digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. The equation for the computation of market capitalization truly is somewhat straightforward. The coursing supply of the cash being referred to fundamentally is duplicated by its essentially current cost, showing how our cost expectation calculation fundamentally is planned in especially such a manner that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to generally furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the truly present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily evaluate the condition of their portfolio and choose whether or not it for the most part needs to in a real sense be reconfigured. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH for the most part remains at $4,640,199,213. Enough to name it the 23rd kind of the biggest coin on the digital money market, showing that at this kind of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $236.52 where it presently sits, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on January 19, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money basically remained at $4,658,444,743, showing his especially retail financial backers and dealers basically are in every practical sense keen in digital currencies in every way that really matters, for example. BCH on the grounds that this generally is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat by and large brief timeframe in a fundamentally enormous manner. 7 days prior, on January 13, the capitalization of BCH basically was $5,088,083,965, showing his 7 days prior, on January 13, the capitalization of BCH basically was $5,088,083,965. A month prior, on December 20, how much extremely capital streaming around this kind of specific market in every practical sense added up to $4,497,100. Most cryptographic money financial backers really stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a sort of specific digital currency and its capacity to generally endure disturbances, which by and large are the very normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market, which generally is genuinely huge. The sort of greatest inventory of Bitcoin money in every way that really matters is 21,000,000 BCH. The extremely complete stockpile of BCH as of now explicitly remains at 19,619,025 coins, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The flowing stock of the digital money under survey essentially is 19,619,025 BCH in an unobtrusive manner. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't by and large be in every way that really matters, complete without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the genuinely metric utilized by essentially all digital currency brokers to generally affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move, which for the most part is very critical. For example,